Managing stock can feel almost overwhelming. You have too much inventory and you tie up your cash. You have too little inventory and you might lose sales. But what if your team could master inventory management in only a few days? That's exactly what happens with the Sharpe Fishbowl Onsite Training. A Sharpe Fishbowl Onsite Inventory isn't just a generic webinar or a one-size-fits-all Zoom call. It's a hands-on, customized experience designed specifically for your business. The experts come directly to your site and work side by side with your team, making sure that the learning is taking place in the environment that everyone works in. Here's what to expect. First, it starts with a deep dive into your current inventory process. That includes evaluating your workflow, looking for inefficiencies, and pinpointing opportunities to streamline your operations. Think of this as an inventory health check. Before making improvements, we need to understand what your baseline is. And then comes the real transformation, as the trainer works directly in your fishbowl system, working with your real data and your inventory setup. No hypothetical solutions, just real solutions to the real challenges that you're facing. You can expect your team to learn the following: the best workflows to save time and reduce errors, advanced features like demand forecasting and barcode scanning, how to integrate best practices, and implement software solutions that you rely on. This isn't just about learning, it's about solving problems in real time. If your team struggles with stockouts, miscounts, or order delays, those issues are addressed right then and there. By the end of the training, you won't just know what to do, you will have already started doing it. And the value doesn't just stop when the training ends. You'll leave with customized guides, ongoing support, but most importantly, a team that's confident in keeping your inventory running smoothly. The investment in on-site training pays off in reduced carrying costs, fewer stock issues, but most importantly, a system that works for you and not against you. If you're ready to take the guesswork out of inventory management, book a Sharpe Fishbowl Onsite Training today. Let's turn your inventory from a daily frustration into a competitive advantage. Thanks.